Good morning everyone. So today let us continue the problems on elementary transformation. So in the last class we have solved 3 problems, right? So see the fourth one. Find the inverse of the matrix. So here given the matrix, we have to find the inverse of that matrix by using elementary transformation. Okay. So here let us take the given matrix as matrix A. Matrix A equals 2, 5, 1, 3. Okay. So we know that, what is the condition we know? We know that A is equal to I into A, right? So here replace the matrix. Matrix A is 2, 5, 1, 3 equals I is an identity 1, 0, 0, 1 into matrix A. Our work is, we have to reduce this left side matrix into identity matrix. Okay, we have to reduce that matrix A in the form of 1, 0, 0, 1. Okay, see here, we have to get the first element is 1. What? They have given the first element, they have given 2. But we can clearly observe that in the second row first element we have 1. Correct? So we know that elementary transformation conditions. What is the first condition? So first condition is we can interchange any 2 rows, right? So here we can interchange these 2 rows. If we interchange, so this 1, 3 comes to the first row. Interchanging R1 and R2. So this is the symbol of interchanging. Let us apply for both the sides. So here we are interchanging means here we get 1, 3, 2, 5 which is equal to, so in the right side matrix also, so the rows interchanging, that is 0, 1, 1, 0 into matrix A. So therefore first element is completed. Next move on to the second row first element. So we have to get 0. So in the place of 0 here we have 2. Okay. So we have to get 0 means, observe here, suppose in the place of 1, if there is a number 2, okay, let us assume there is a 2. If we take the subtraction of these 2, 2 minus 2, then we will get 0, right? But there is no 2 in first row, there is 1. We can multiply that first row by 2, right? So we have to change the second row. R2 is changing to R2, we are taking the subtraction means minus. We required for first row, we required 2, multiply 2 into R1. So let us apply for the matrix now. So here we are applying only for second row for R2. Write the first row as it is, that is 1, 3. Apply for second row now. This is the elementary transformation. See here, R2. What is the R2? First number is 2 minus 2 into R1, that corresponding R1 is 1. So here 2 minus 2 ones are 2, 2 minus 2 is 0. Here we are getting 0. Okay. So next, what is next? R2's, this is completely R2. So we have applied for first element. Now we are moving to the second element. R2. Instead of R2 here we have 5 minus 2 into R1, that corresponding R1 is 3, which is equal to 5 minus 2 3s are 6. What is 5 minus 6? We get minus 1. Okay. So which is equal to, apply the same elementary transformation for right side also. Okay. So here matrix 0, 1. We are applying only for second row. So apply for first element. So what is the first element here? 1. It is R2 is 1 minus 2 into R1, that corresponding R1 is 0, which is equal to 1 minus 2 into 0 is 0, 1 minus 0 is 1. Is it clear? So next we have to apply for same row, second element. So here R2 is 0 minus 2 into R1. So that corresponding R1 is 1, which is equal to 0 minus 2 ones are 2. 0 minus 2 is minus 2 into matrix A. Okay. So that is 1, 0 is completed. Next, move on to the second row, second element. Okay, second row, second element. What we have to get? So here we have to get the element is 1. See what here we have. It is minus 1. If you multiply by minus 1, again it becomes plus 1. See here. So ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ second row second element ಗೆ apply ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ here we are applying for again second row. Okay, for second row second element ಗೆ apply ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ multiplication ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ. So that is R2 into, so ಇಲ್ಲಿ minus 1 ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ reciprocal of minus 1, again we get minus 1 itself, right? So change for R2 now. Apply ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. So here we get matrix first row as it is 1 3. Okay, second row ನೋಡಿ, first element 0 ಇದೆ, R2 place ಅಲ್ಲಿ 0 ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ 0 into minus 1 is 0. Okay, next R2 ಏನಿದೆ, minus 1 ಇದೆ, R2 place ನಲ್ಲಿ minus 1 ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ what is minus 1 into minus 1? It becomes plus 1, which is equal to, so right side same elementary transformation apply ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. See here, write the first row as it is, that is 0 1. We are applying only for second row. Okay, here 1, R2 is 1, so instead of R2 if we replace 1 into minus 1 is minus 1. Next R2 ಏನಿದೆ, minus 2 ಇದೆ, so here minus 2 into minus 1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ, so minus into minus plus 2 1s are 2, we get plus 2 into matrix A. Okay, see here 1 0 1, so it is completely reduced. Here there is only one element to reduce, that is first row second element. We have to get 0, so instead of 0 here we have 3. Okay, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 0 ಬರಬೇಕು, ಹಾಗೆ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ 0 ಹಾಕಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬಿಲೋ ಇರೋ ರೋ ನಲ್ಲಿ 3 ಇದ್ದಿದ್ರೆ, so 3 minus 3 ಏನಾಗ್ತಿತ್ತು 0, ಬಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 3 ಇಲ್ಲ, so 1 ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ multiply that row by 3. Okay, which row that is? Second row. We have to change first row, so therefore ನಾವು ಯಾವ್ದು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅದೇ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಗೆ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೋ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು, therefore R1 is changing to R1. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಬಿಗಿನ್ ಆಗಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ ರೋ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಅದೇ ರೋ ಇಂದಾನೆ ಬಿಗಿನ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, R1 ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಮೈನಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ R2 ಗೆ ಏನ್ ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇರೋದು 3, ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈಯಿಂಗ್ 3 into R2. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಈಗ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟರಿ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಆಪರೇಷನ್. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ವಿ ಗೆಟ್ matrix. So here we are applying only for first row. Write the second row as it is. Okay. See here. R1 is 1 minus 3 into R2. Corresponding R2 is 0. Here 1 minus 3 into 0 is 0. What is 1 minus 0? We get 1. So first element is completed. Same row, second element. What is R1? It is 3 minus 3 into R2. Corresponding R2 is 1. Okay. So here 3 minus 3 ones are 3. 3 minus 3. We get 0. So second row is as it is. There is no changes. We have to write as it is, which is equal to. So let us apply for right side now. So same elementary operation. Okay. So here matrix. So second row as it is, minus 1 2 is as it is. So let us apply for first row. See here, what is R1 here? R1 is 0 minus 3 into R2. Corresponding R2 is minus 1. Here 0 minus into minus becomes plus. 3 ones are 3. What is 0 plus 3? We get 3. Okay. First element is completed. Same row, second element. Apply the same elementary transformation. Let us apply here. Okay. R1 is 1 minus 3 into R2. That corresponding R2 is 2. Okay. That is 1 minus 3 2s are 6. 1 minus 6 is minus 5. So here we get minus 5 into matrix A. Okay. So therefore we are getting that. So here I is equal to B into A form. Therefore this is the inverse. Therefore A inverse is equal to matrix 3 minus 5 minus 1 2. So see the next one. Find the inverse of the matrix. Again we have to find the inverse of the given matrix by using elementary transformation. Okay. So let us take the given matrix as matrix A. So matrix A equals 2, 3, 5, 7. Okay. We know that. What is the condition? We know that A is equal to I into A. Okay. What is matrix A? That is 2, 3, 5, 7, which is equal to identity matrix is 1, 0, 0, 1 into matrix A. See here. So here we have to reduce the left side matrix into identity matrix, that is 1, 0, 0, 1. Okay. First element here we have to get is 1, but there is a number 2. See here. If we subtract first one with second one, that is 2 minus 5, it is minus 3. Not we are getting 1. Illi first row ina second row na subtraction ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 1 ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ. ಸಪೋಸ್ ಈ 2 ಇರೋ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ 6 ಇದ್ದಿದ್ರೆ ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 6 minus 5 ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 1 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2 ಇರೋದು 6 ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ನಾನು 2 ಜೊತೆ ಏನ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ 6 ಬರೋದು. 2 3s 6, ರೈಟ್? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೋ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. R1 is changing to R1 ಗೆ ನನಗೆ ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇರೋದು 3. ಸೊ R1 ಗೆ 3 ನ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 3 ನ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ 3 2s 6 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಆ 6 ಅನ್ನ 5 ಜೊತೆ ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದೀವಿ, ರೈಟ್? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೋಗೆ 3 ನ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತಿದೀವಿ, ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ 3 into R1. ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಮೈನಸ್ R2. ಹೀಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ನಮಗೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ 1 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಈಗ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೋಗೆ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ರೋ ಆಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 3 into R1. ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ R1? 2 minus R2. ಅದ್ರ ಕರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ R2 5. ಓಕೆ. 3 2s 6 minus 5. ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ 6 minus 5? 1. ನೋಡಿ ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ಏನ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ರೋ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆ ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ 1 ನಂಬರ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಬರೋ ತರ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಈಗಿಲ್ಲಿ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಗೆ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೋ ನಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ 3 into R1. R1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 3 minus R2. ಅದ್ರ ಕರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ R2 7 ಇದೆ. 3 3s 9 minus 7. What is 9 minus 7? It is 2. Completed first row. Second row as it is 5 7, which is equal to matrix. Okay. ಈಗ ಮತ್ತೆ ರೈಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಗೆ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಸೇಮ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟರಿ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ನ. ಸೊ ಸಿ ಹಿಯರ್ ಫಾರ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೋ ರೈಟ್ ದ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ರೋ ಆಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್, ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ 0 1. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೋಗೆ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಏನಿದೆ? ಸೊ ಸಿ ಹಿಯರ್ 3 into R1 1 minus ಅದ್ರ ಕರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ R2 0. 3 1s 3 minus 0. What is 3 minus 0? It is 3. So completed. Next first row second element same formula. 3 into R1. R1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 0 minus corresponding R2 1, which is equal to 3 into 0 is 0 minus 1. 0 minus 1 is minus 1. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ minus 1. Okay. So I think it is clear. Into matrix A. Okay. So next is, see here, first element is completed. Next move on to the second row, first element. So we have to get 0. Instead of 0 here we have 5. So R2 nalida, R2 change agbekalva? 5 ಇದೆ. 0 ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲೂ 5 ಇದ್ದಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಸಪೋಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 5 ಇದ್ದಿದ್ರೆ what is 5 minus 5 ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ 0 ಆಗ್ತಿತ್ತು. ಬಟ್ 5 ಇಲ್ಲ, 1 ಇದೆ. 1 ಇರೋದೇ ಅಡ್ವಾಂಟೇಜ್. 1 ಗೆ ಏನ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕು? 5. ಓಕೆ. R2 is changing to, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ಅದೇ ಬಿಗಿನ್ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕು ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಓಕೆ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ R2 ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಮೈನಸ್ R1 ಗೆ ಏನ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು? 5. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 5 into R1. ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ದ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ನೌ. ಸೊ ಈಗ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ here R2. What is R2? Applying the formula. So write the row first row as it is, that is 1 2. Okay. R2 is 5 minus 5 into R1. Other corresponding R1 is 1, which is equal to 5 minus 5 ones are 5. What is 5 minus 5? It is 0. Okay. Next move on to the second element. Same formula R2. R2 andre 7 minus 5 into R1. Other corresponding R1 is 2. Okay. That is 7 minus 5 2s are 10. What is 7 minus 10? It is minus 3. Which is equal to right side same elementary operation apply madbeko. So which is equal to matrix. So here we are changing only second row, means write the first row as it is. That is 3 minus 1. So let us apply for the operation now. R2, what is first element R2? R2 is 0 minus 5 into R1. Corresponding R1 is 3. Okay. That is 0 minus 5 3s are 15. What is 0 minus 15? We get minus 15. Okay. So second row, second element, same formula. So here we have formula R2. Second element is 1 minus 5 into R1. The corresponding R1 is minus 1. Okay. Let us simplify. 1 minus into minus becomes plus. 5 ones are 5. 1 plus 5 is 6 into matrix A. Okay. So next, see here, we have reduced the second row, second element to 0. Next, move on to second row, second element. Sorry, second row, first element is reduced to 0. Next, move on to second row, second element. What we have to get? It is 1. Here we have minus 3. So minus 3 ಇದೆ. Second row, second element ಬಂದಾಗ multiplication ತಗೋಬೇಕು. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ second row use ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. ಈಗ second row change ಮಾಡಬೇಕಲ್ವಾ? R2 is changing to R2 into ಇಲ್ಲಿ minus 3 ಇರೋ place ನಲ್ಲಿ 1 ಬರಬೇಕು. So minus 3 ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ take the reciprocal of minus 3, we get 1 by minus 3. Okay. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 6 ಬಂದ್ರೆ into 1 by 6. 5 ಬಂದ್ರೆ into 1 by 5. Each problem use ಮಾಡ್ತಿರೋದೇ ಇದೇ form ಅಲ್ಲಿ, right? So let us apply now. Matrix. We are applying only for second row. Write the first row as it is. That is 1, 2. Okay. So ಈಗ second row apply ಮಾಡಿ. ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ R2. First element R2 ಏನಿದೆ 0. Okay. 0 into anything is 0. Next R2 ಏನಿದೆ minus 3. R2 place ನಲ್ಲಿ minus 3 into 1 by minus 3. So minus 3 gets cancelled, we get 1. Here we are getting 1, which is equal to right side same elementary operation apply ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. First row as it is ಬರ್ಕೋತೀವಿ 3 minus 1. Okay. Apply only for second row now. See here, formula is R2 into minus 1 by 3, right? So what is the first element here? We have R2 is minus 15 into minus 1 by 3. 3 ones are 3 5s are gets cancelled. See here, minus into minus becomes plus. 5 ones are 5. So first element is 5. Next, second row, second element 6 ಇದೆ. Same formula. R2 place ನಲ್ಲಿ 6 into minus 1 by 3. That is minus 1 by 3. So ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಅಷ್ಟೇ 3 ones are 3 2s are cancel ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 2 into minus 1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ minus 2. So here we are getting minus 2 into outside matrix A. So I think this is clear, right? So each problem go same steps use ಮಾಡ್ತಿದೀವಿ. Addition, subtraction, multiplication ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ? Next ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಈಗ 1 0 1 3 ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ರೆಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಗೆ ಬಂದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೋ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಏನ್ ಬರ್ಬೇಕು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 0 ಆಗ್ಬೇಕು. ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 0 ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಇದೆ. ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 0 ಆಗ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬಿಲೋ ಇರೋ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ 2 ಇದ್ದಿದ್ರೆ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ 2 minus 2 0 ಆಗ್ತಿತ್ತು. ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಇಲ್ಲ, ನಾನು ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ 1 ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಅಡ್ವಾಂಟೇಜ್ ಇದೆ. ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ದ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ರೋ ಬೈ 2. ಸಪೋಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೋ ನಲ್ಲಿ 5 ಇದ್ದಿದ್ರೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ದ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ರೋ ಬೈ 5. ಓಕೆ, so we have to change the first row, that is R1 is changing to R1. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅದೇ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಟಿ ಬರ್ಬೇಕು ಫಸ್ಟ್. ಓಕೆ, then we have to apply the operation. R1 ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಡಿಷನ್ 0 ಆಗಕ್ಕೆ ಮೈನಸ್. ಸೊ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ರೋಗೆ ಏನ್ ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇರೋದು 2 ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆ. 2 into ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ರೋ ಅಂದ್ರೆ R2. ಓಕೆ, So let us apply the last operation now. So here matrix we are applying only for first row. Write the second row as it is, that is 0, 1 as it is. Okay. So apply ಮಾಡಿ first row ಗೆ R1 formula R1 is 1 minus 2 into R2 ಅದರ corresponding R2 ಬಂದು 0. Here 1 minus 2 into 0 is 0. What is 1 minus 0? It is 1. Okay. Same first row second element R1 2 minus 2 into R2 corresponding R2 is 1, which is equal to 2 minus 2 ones are 2, 2 minus 2 is 0. So I think this is clear, which is equal to. So right side kuda same operation apply ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ. Okay. So here matrix apply for R1. What is R1 here? So first element is 3 minus 2 into R2. Other corresponding R2 is 5. Here 3 minus 2 5s are 10. What is 3 minus 10? It is minus 7. Okay, first row first element is completed. Let us move on to the second element. Same operation R1. The formula R1 is minus 1. Okay, minus 2 into R2 corresponding R2 is minus 2. So simplify ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. Minus 1 here minus into minus becomes plus. 2 2s are 4. Minus 1 plus 4 is plus 3. Okay. Write the second row as it is. That is 5 minus 2 into matrix A. So here in the left side we can observe that we are getting identity matrix, right? So therefore this is the inverse of matrix A. Therefore A inverse equals matrix minus 7 3 5 minus 2.